confined Tarun Tejpal has now resorted to character assassination. Even as he continues to defend his shameful actions, Tejpal in his petition to the court has asked why the victim continued to be normal if she was sexually assaulted.
Tejpal also called the complaint motivated and false.
रीज़न जो उन्होंने दिया है वो ये दिया है कि ऑलरेडी इसमें पुलिस की इन्वेस्टिगेशन की जांच हो चुकी है और ये मैटर जब पुलिस के दायरे में आ गया है तो अभी सेक्सुअल हैरेसमेंट वर्क प्लेस जो है उसका कोई काम नहीं रहता है और इसलिए उन्होंने मना कर दिया है। तो हम लोग एनसीडब्ल्यू इस चीज़ को अप्रिशिएट करते हैं, वेलकम करते हैं कि ये अभी सेक्सुअल हैरेसमेंट एट वर्क प्लेस को जब था तब अगर वो कुछ करते थे तो उसका महत्व बनता था और ये अभी असॉल्ट का केस हो गया है, सेक्सुअल असॉल्ट एट सम नॉट एट वर्क प्लेस बट रिलेटिंग टू सम इंसिडेंट थिंक फेस्ट के इंसिडेंट में हुआ था। तो देयर इज ऑलरेडी एफआईआर हैज बीन रजिस्टर्ड और पुलिस इसको इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रहे हैं। तो इसमें अगर जांच कमेटी का बहुत बड़ा कोई रोल भी नहीं रहा है। मुझे लगता है उर्वशी जी का जो फैसला है अगर वो सही है, क्रेडिट मतलब इट इज एग्जैक्टली फ्रॉम रिलायबल सोर्स की शी हैज रिजाइन, तो वो ठीक ही है।
Aditya, what's the latest that you're getting at your end? Because Tehelka seems to be going through a lot of trouble. Their editor-in-chief has not got anticipatory bail. He's gone ahead and discredited the victim. And there are people who are continuing to quit the organization.
That's right. There are at least 4 people in Tehelka that have already quit, and there is a lot of anger among the employees against the Tehelka administration, against the management for actually botching up and covering up this entire matter. Yesterday, we did see the resignation letter of the victim in this case, which Times Now had access to. She blamed squarely Tarun Tejpal and Shoma Chaudhary, the managing editor, for really character assassination and slander. When she also went on to say that there was a cover-up on part of the Tehelka management to really hush up this entire case. Now, what we are really hearing is that the Goa police has already recorded the statement of the victim, and at the same time, they have requested her to be in Goa tomorrow, and probably there will be a statement recording in front of the magistrate. Thereafter, at this moment, the Goa police is contemplating and strategizing that when exactly they will reach out to the main accused in this case, Tarun Tejpal, and really the news tightening against Tarun Tejpal, because today early morning yesterday he had sought anticipatory bail, and today while hearing the court has not granted him any interim relief. In fact, tomorrow again the court will hear the matter. In fact, the court has sent out notices both to Goa government as well as the Delhi government. So really, not many options now with the main accused in this rape case, Tarun Tejpal. The news really tightening around him, and it is just a matter of time when he will be really grilled by the Goa police.
More reactions on this story. Aditya, thanks for that.
It is very shocking, because whatever we gather, the facts, the information which has been coming from various sources of media is this, that Tarun Tejpal has committed one crime by outraging the modesty of a girl, and then he goes on filing a petition. And by doing so, what he tries to do is that malign the image of that girl in a way by which he is trying to tarnish her completely. And now this particular action of his can just not be forgiven, can just not be forgotten.
The petition Tarun Tejpal has filed after the sexual harassment cases against him, he is just completely ridiculous that he has now filed a petition. Firstly, he sexually harassed that girl. He saw some sexual favors. Now he is trying to malign her image. Now you need to see is that, he is the person who was holding high ethics at one time, and now when a case is against him, he is taking measures. He is taking such measures. He is trying to file a petition and all. What he has to do with the lifestyle of the girl? She may do anything. A thing that needs to be seen is that a case is against him, that too a sexual harassment case is against him. So he needs to be booked, and it cannot be excused. A petition cannot be excused, and I strongly feel that these things cannot save him from the liability.
Arrest Shoma Chaudhary as well as Tarun Tejpal. The victim in her letter to Shoma Chaudhary stated that so she has not given any protection, she has not given any support from her organization where she is working. So this is the Shoma Chaudhary is a lady and the victim is also lady, but she can't get the support from a lady who is the managing editor of the Tehelka. So now we Goa State Women's Commission appeal to the police that to arrest the Tarun Tejpal immediately and give the justice to the victim and also to the protection to victim as well as her family.